Some of the things that I wanted to walk through before we hop into like the querying are just some of these small transforms and things like that, and even some smaller things that you didn't know about that are quite powerful. For instance, if I wanted to rename one of these fields, like if I didn't want this to be called token, instead I wanted it to be called JWT, and if I rerun this, you'll see now in the output it's JWT. So why would I want to do this? Well, this is just something that benefits the client itself. In the case of this, the GraphQL API is resolving for the field token. This is what the GraphQL schema says is allowed. It's a token. If the front end doesn't want it to be token, then they can just remap it here. This just saves you from writing that code yourself. I highly recommend using GraphQL as much as possible. So when you get the output from it, you can put it right on the screen. There's also tons of like other GraphQL plugins that allow you to like manipulate and change things. You can also make your own. If you're getting a result from GraphQL just to map over it and pick the properties you really want and change the names, then you're not using GraphQL right. Do that here. Get the fields that you want in the query and then put them on the screen.